Situation of Indian economy at the time of independence. At the time of independence, the Indian economy was facing a situation of semi-feudal, stagnant, backward and depreciated economy. All the parts of the economy and all the sectors were seeing a downward flow in their development. So let us discuss about the main aspects of or main characteristics of the Indian economy at the time of independence. Number 1, semi-feudal economy. At the time of independence, the Indian economy was a mixture of both feudalism and capitalism. Feudalism referred to the middleman or existence between the actual cultivators and the government, whereas capitalism referred to the existence of capitalistic industries which were controlling main parts of the industry. So, semi-feudal economy refers to an economy which has both the mixture of feudalism and capitalism. Number 2, stagnant economy. A stagnant economy is one which is growing at a very low rate. We can say that the rate of increase is there, but it is so slow that it is not coming to any kind of use. So, when the Britishers left our country, our economy was a stagnant economy, that is, it was not at all increasing or gaining anything. Number 3, backward economy or an underdeveloped economy. At the departure of British rule, the Indian economy was the lowest country, having a lowest per capita income, and consequently the standard of living also became very low. This resulted in mass illiteracy and a very high birth and death rates. That means, as a result of a backward economy, we were having the issues of low standard of living, mass illiteracy, that is, the education level was very bad. Also, there were high birth and death rates. That means, the number of people taking births were very high. Also, the number of people dying was also very high. Moreover, it also was a dependent economy, that is, for the basic amenities, our country was dependent on other countries, or in other words, we were importing more than we were exporting. Number 4, depleted economy. A depleted economy is one where there is no arrangement for replacing the depreciated physical assets on account of their excessive use. So, it means that this India turned into an economy where there was no resources to change those objects which were already obsolete, or in other words, the industries, suppose, were having some kind of machineries which were obsolete because of overuse, but there was no resource to change those machines. Number 5, dependent economy. Apart from being depleted, the Indian economy was also a dependent economy. It was completely dependent on the British economy, and where the Britishers used to take the raw materials from our country and make the final products in their country, so that their exports could increase, and in turn our imports started to increase. Apart from this, the next one is disintegrated economy. Disintegrated economy resulted in division of our country into two parts, or in two countries, that is India and Pakistan, beforehand, which were already included as India. So this resulted in many problems such as transport and communication, loss of market, shortage of raw materials, food shortage, etc. Also, the one problem, very important problem, that resulted in the partition of India and Pakistan was the problem of rehabilitation. So if you students have already seen many movies where you see that due to the division, what kind of impact it had on the people of both the sides. So much of killing, massacre was there, and refugees were also there. This resulted in a very heavy loss and burden on the Indian economy.